Name's Neil Lloyd, I work for a company called Par Homes. Beacon's Gate in Brecon, a development of 119 properties we're doing. We're using the DuraPost absolutely everywhere, all the back gardens, front gardens. We started off originally on the project, we were going to use a concrete post. Obviously due to the weight of it, we just looked at other options that were out there, obviously come across yourself at some samples and used them on the one property, see what we thought of it. Boys liked it, it's very light, very easy to use. Obviously with the wooden panels in between, they all fit nice and tidy in there. Just really went from there, really. Using a DuraPost compared to a concrete post, you're probably looking at using double the amount of posts in a day to what you are with a standard concrete one. Because the DuraPost is so light, you're probably carrying 4 or 5 at a time where you can only carry one concrete post at a time. Imagine you've got a full week of putting concrete posts in, you know, you're going to know about it come Friday night you've been doing it, where using a DuraPost, you know, you're not as tired from doing the same amount of work. You can fit the panels to them as you're doing them, which is quite hard to do on a concrete post. You usually got to go back and do it, but with these you can almost fit the panels in to keep the post plumb and just be wedging them the other way just to get them, you know, to sit in place till the concrete goes off. If we were using probably a timber post or a concrete post, we'd probably, where we've got a lot of retaining walls, we'd probably be looking at setting the post probably 400, 500 mil back inside that wall to be able to get a fix in. With the DuraPost, because it's such a small post as well, you can physically core drill the walls and be able to install the post inside the wall. We've gone down the road of timber posts in the past. We've gone back to sites we've built probably 10, 12 years ago, and we're replacing fences, especially in an area like Brecon where, you know, it does catch the wind here. If you had timber fences here, they wouldn't last. And obviously the look of it, it's just a clean, nice finish. It's going to outlive the fence panels. You'll probably end up changing the fence panels and just installing new panels into the fencing. One of the biggest qualities is, obviously with colour schemes on sites now, grey is very much, you know, the in colour. And obviously, you know, it's nice that the posts outside the houses, you know, suit what's, you know, the windows, the fascias on the houses. It all sort of brings it into one. Rather than probably a concrete post or a timber post wouldn't give that same look as what the DuraPost does. The caps, everything that come with it, just a real finish of the item. We've got a couple of places where we've just put little door fences in with it, where we've put the rail through the top, and that all works nice. It all looks good together. It'll be a good looking site when it's finished, and a lot of people have moved in here all comment how good the fencing looks here.